Stihl SH56C. Right here is a primer ball. And here is the air filter. I'm going to be changing all this. That is definitely corroded on there. So I'll be pulling that. I went on Amazon and for like 20 bucks, I got this Honey Rain kit for the BG56C. I also had the SH, the vacuum model on there. Filters replacement. It came with a spark plug, air filter, and fuel filter. So in here, I don't think I have any of those little needle nose pliers. The fuel filter does look alright, honestly. I don't know if you can see in there. Right here is the choke. Right here is the pull cord. It does start right up. You just pull this thing right up. This is for the spark plug. Nice little cover on here. Pulls right up. Looks like it has a Bosch one in it right now. So I'll be changing it with this HIPAA brand, some cheap Chinese brand. Definitely well used though. As you know, I do love my collection of Stihl products. Have the electric blower. Also picked up a FS91 series to show you guys. Right up here is where you turn it off. Here's the trigger. Did start up first pull. It's definitely seen quite a bit of use. Works perfectly fine though. It is a loud little guy, 70 dBA. I'll put a link in for this little kit right here. So definitely need to change the air filter. I ordered a air filter cover also. Oh man, probably the original air filter for Stihl. It's definitely crumbling apart. This has a little knob right here. You replace this. Fits in there perfectly. I'll get that cover on before I really run it too much. Nice kit. Cheap Chinese stuff though. Spark plug right here. Better find my spark plug wrench and then I'll do that. Alright, so for the spark plug I have a 5/8 16mm spark plug wrench right here. Comes right off. Bosch is a little better brand than that HIPAA or whatever it is. I usually get the Champions, honestly. This is just kind of a fixer-upper. Definitely has not been changed for a while. Should do a full cleaning. Same size, I'll put this guy in. Now I made sure it's the same gap. I don't quite remember the gap though. I'll put this down, get this guy in for you. So you make sure this is lined up. Push it in. Hear that click. Put that back on. Still got plenty of fuel. So get some nice needle nose pliers. I will get that for you guys and show you how to put in that little air filter. So definitely just these two will help it out a lot. Air filter, spark plug replacement. So I'll put this on choke and prime it a few times. Get this thing started for you. So I primed it. Got this on choke right here. to the off position, the little circle, and it turns off, starts right up. Works perfect. Great blower. And this is the kit that I got from Honey Rain off of Amazon. Is actually $9.77. Thank you for watching my video. And here is the link for Amazon. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more repairs on this, more updates.